Here I'm going to show you how to use the midpoint formula to divide your line segment into fourths. So first we need our points, our endpoints. So here are our two endpoints, 4, 6 and 8, 10. So we are going to plug this into these two equations right here, which are the midpoint formulas, which would give us 6, 8. So our midpoint will be 6, 8. And here is our midpoint right here. Now, to divide it into fourths, we're going to add the midpoints with the endpoints instead of just adding the two endpoints together. So our first two equations right here, 4 plus 6 over 2 and 6 plus 8 over 2 will give us 5, 7. So our first point here will equal 5, 7. And that is our first point on the line segment right here. Our second equation will be 6 plus 8 over 2 and 8 plus 10 over 2, which will give us 7, 9. Now if we plug this into the table here, 7, 9, that's going to give us our second point, or fourth point on this line segment. And as you can see, they are all equal within length, so your line segment is divided up equally into fourths. And that is how you use the line, or the midpoint formula, to divide your line segment into fourths.